At this very moment, your life is being guided and influenced by universal forces you may not even be aware of, and the most powerful of all is the law of attraction. Just like the law of gravity, it is always in effect, impacting your life in more ways than you can imagine. The good news is, once you are aware of this universal law, you can learn how to use it to change your life for the better. Because here's the thing, you are in a constant state of creation. Every moment of every day, you are actively creating your reality. With every thought, either consciously or subconsciously, you are creating your future. And when you know how to harness the power of the law of attraction in your life, you can direct your thoughts and actions in a way that allows you to effortlessly attract what you want. Many people, when they first hear about this universal law, dismiss it as woo. So if you have doubts about whether it really works, you're certainly not alone. I often get questions from people who wonder what the law of attraction is, and are skeptical about the claims they've heard. And I'm going to tell you what I always tell them. Expect miracles. When you understand how the law of attraction works, you can use it to change your life for the better, and create an amazing future. This guide will walk you through the process of using this powerful universal law, and show you how to manifest what you want in every area of your life. I'll teach you about the 7 laws of attraction, that's right, there are more than one, and the 3 proven steps to activate it in your life. You'll also learn how to use it for different purposes, such as attracting more wealth or love into your life. Buckle up, because it's going to be an amazing ride. The law of attraction is a universal principle that states you will attract into your life whatever you focus on. Whatever you give your energy and attention to is what will come back to you. When you focus on the abundance of good things in your life, you will automatically attract more positive things into your life. But if you center yourself on negative thoughts, and only focus on what you lack in life, then you will ultimately attract negativity into your life, and what you want most will continue to elude you. Why does the universe use the law of attraction? Simply put, it's because like attracts like. If you are feeling excited, enthusiastic, passionate, happy, joyful, appreciative, or abundant, then you are sending out positive energy to the universe. In turn, that positive energy will attract people, resources, and opportunities that resonate on the same energetic wavelength. This optimism that is effortlessly brought into your path of life will allow you to reach your goals. On the other hand, if you are feeling bored, anxious, stressed out, angry, resentful, or sad, you are sending out negative energy. That negative energy will repel positivity and attract pessimistic people and events into your life. Discovering the law of attraction in your life. You have probably noticed the law of attraction in your own life. For example, a person who complains all the time typically attracts friends or followers who also have a bad attitude. Or happy and energetic people will attract other motivated go-getters into their circle. That's the universal law of attraction in action. It's important to note that the universe doesn't care what kind of energetic vibration you send out. It doesn't care if you are a positive or negative person. It simply responds to what you offer. By changing your energetic vibration, you can change the way the universe responds to you. You can manifest particular outcomes in your life simply by creating and leaning into vibrations that align with your desires. But in order to do that, you must become deeply and continuously aware of your energy, thoughts, and feelings, and the 7 different ways in which they shape your reality. The 7 laws of attraction. The law of attraction can be broken down into 7 mini-laws that all affect how the world responds to you and the results you get in life. 1. The law of manifestation. This is what most people think of when they hear the words law of attraction. The law of manifestation states that our thoughts and feelings create our reality, and what we focus on is what we will manifest in our lives. 2. The law of magnetism. The law of magnetism states that everything that has happened in your life, the people, things, and opportunities that have come into your life, as well as the circumstances in which you have found yourself, is a result of the energy you put out into the world. You attract what you are. 3. The law of unwavering desire. Do you truly want the things you believe you want? The law of unwavering desire states that your desire to achieve or attract a certain thing must be strong and unyielding in order for you to manifest it in your life. When your desires are weak and without a rock-solid foundation, they won't be able to attract what you want. For the law of delicate balance. The universe is comprised of balance between various forces and elements. And as we are microcosms of the universe, we also crave balance. When the different aspects of your life are in balance, you are able to experience true peace and joy. But in order to achieve balance, appreciation and gratitude are required. Learn how to use the law of attraction from my free guide. Link is in the description. 5. The law of harmony. The law of harmony describes the coordinated interplay of forces and elements that comprise the universe. Harmony is the flow of life. When you are in tune with it, everything seems easy, as if you are swimming with the current rather than against it. Tapping into the law of harmony and striving to live harmoniously with all other beings will open you to the optimism that the universe has to offer. 6. The law of right action. The law of right action states that your words and actions affect the world around you and determine the quality of your experiences in life. How you behave and treat others will determine how others treat you. When you focus on the right action and are kind to others, always being sure to do to them what you would wish done to you, you will attract more positivity into your life. 7. The law of universal influence. It's easy to feel small and insignificant when staring up at the stars at night. But the truth is, every one of us is an integral part of the universe. We make an impact on the world with everything we think and do. Our energy vibrations become a part of the fabric of the universe. That's why it's so important for you to be aware of your thoughts, feelings, and actions, as well as signs from the universe, to demonstrate the impact of your actions and point you in the direction of your dreams. To learn how to use the law of attraction from my free guide, click the link is in the description. By doing so, you will be able to effectively control your energy and increase the positive impact you have on the world around you. 3 steps to use the law of attraction. To activate the power of this universal law, all you have to do is follow a simple 3-step process. Step 1. Ask the universe for what you want. Every day, you send out requests to the universe, as well as to your subconscious mind, in the form of thoughts. Everything you think about, read about, talk about, and give your attention to is telling the universe what you want to attract more of into your life. That's why it's so important for you to become more intentional about the thoughts you offer to the universe. The clearer and more focused you are about what you really want, the easier it will be for you to attract those things into your life. For example, let's say you want to change careers, move to another state, win a major professional award, have your own TV show, or recover from a major illness. How would you feel once you've arrived at your goal? What would you be doing throughout your day? Who would you be spending time with? The more you focus on what you do want, instead of what you don't want, the faster you will manifest your dreams and goals. Step 2. Believe you'll get what you want. It's not enough just to focus on what you want, you have to believe that it's possible. If you think about what you want, but in your heart you have doubts you will ever achieve it, you will end up sending mixed signals to the universe, which will respond to you with mixed results. The problem is, most people have limiting beliefs that keep them from allowing abundance and happiness into their lives. If this sounds like you, I encourage you to start doing mindset work that will help you release your limiting beliefs and replace them with the understanding that you are deserving, worthy, lovable, desirable, and capable to achieve any goal you can imagine. Step 3. Receive what you want. Now, to receive what you desire, you must become a vibrational match for what you want to attract into your life. The easiest way to do that is to create positive emotions of love, joy, appreciation, and gratitude throughout your day. You can also practice feeling the emotions you would be experiencing if you already had what you wanted. This will activate your subconscious mind to make those imagined feelings a reality. Finally, don't forget to take consistent action toward your goals. Intentions are very powerful, but you must take action to get results. How to use the law of attraction for specific goals. Now let's take a look at some examples of how to use the law of attraction to manifest specific outcomes in your life. Attract money and financial success. If you would like to grow your wealth, spend more time thinking about money. Read books and watch videos on how to increase your prosperity and make more money. Envision the exact amount you would like and by when. Simply believe it will happen, and it very much will. Above all, remember to be thankful for everything that you already have and appreciate the abundance of all that's good in your life. This will help you create a vibrational match for the financial abundance that you want in your future. Love and relationship attraction. People who are able to harness the power of the law of attraction frequently use it to attract more love and romance into their lives. If you want to attract love into your life, be the love you want to attract. Be loving and generous with others and yourself. Appreciate the love you do have in your life, and look for ways to express it. The more you create a vibration of love, the stronger the signal you will send to the universe, and gain more power to attract love into your life. Improve your well-being. You can also use this universal law to improve your mental and physical health. Learning how to use the law of attraction effectively requires you to become a more positive person who focuses on feeling soul-enriching emotions such as gratitude, connection, and abundance. This allows you to cultivate a healthier mindset, which in turn will inspire you to feel more confident and be inspired to take better care of your physical health as well. And I owe it all to my mentor, W. Clement Stone. When I was a teacher in Chicago making $8,000 a year, he told me, "I want you to set a goal that's so big that if you achieve it, you'll know it's because of the secret I am teaching you." I decided my goal would be to make $100,000 that year. I created an image of a $100,000 bill and hung it on the ceiling above my bed. Every morning I'd see the image. I'd visualize what it would be like to have $100,000. Everything I did was to achieve that goal. At the end of the year, I had made $97,000. But that's just one story. Watch the video below to see other incredible stories of people who have used this universal law to achieve incredible success in their lives. Law of Attraction Meditation for Guidance. Meditation is an excellent form of practice to activate the law of attraction and cultivate a clear, positive mind. Here, try this simple meditation practice to energize awareness. Find a quiet place, close your eyes, and focus on slowing down your breathing. Repeat an uplifting word or phrase. Move into a state of quiet. Imagine yourself surrounded by a sphere of light. If you are new to the practice of meditation, your thoughts will drift and your mind will wander at first. Remember not to be hard on yourself when this happens. This is just part of learning how to meditate. The point isn't to control your thoughts or try to empty your head of thoughts, both of which are impossible. It's simply to become more aware of your thoughts. Once you notice yourself thinking thoughts that are negative or don't serve you, let them go and bring your mind back to the present. Consistent practice of meditation will help clear your mind of distractions, cleanse your thoughts, and enhance your spiritual connection with the universe. This will naturally help you be a more positive person and attract more good into your life. Are you ready to put the power of the universe to work in your life? Your thoughts determine your reality. If you want to change your life, you must start by changing your thoughts. When you cultivate an attitude of gratitude and train yourself to focus on what's good in life, you will find your life filled with more positive people and experiences. Dream big. If you want the universe to deliver big results, you must have big dreams. Remember, the universe always responds to the energy you send out. Use a vision board. Vision boards are a powerful tool for clarifying your vision for your life and keeping your goals top of mind so you can effortlessly attract them into your life. If so, be sure to grab my free guide from description below on how to activate the law of attraction and harness the power of effortless success. This helpful guide will give you detailed information on how to manifest what you want in every area of your life by mastering your thoughts and emotions so you can attract the life you truly want, as well as experience more joy, peace, and abundance in everything you do.